So the Technology Transfer or Commercialization Office, its role is to interface with academic inventors in the community to understand what is the research, what is an invention, and work with academic investigators when they have an invention, understand that and protect it, and partner with industry to take that invention to be a product and manage that relationship with industry so that when that product is commercialized, the revenue that comes back to the institution to manage that. So this really is the overall process of what the technology transfer process and what the technology transfer office does. It sits between the academic community and the industry counterparts. And this is really important to remember because as an academic institution, we do not make products. We need to partner with industry to take our invention to a product and then back again to get some revenue back into the institution from the commercialization of that product. So in recent years, the technology transfer process has been evolving, even though technology transfer has been done at academic institutions for a long time, and especially since 1980 when the Bayh-Dole Act was passed, which allowed academic institutions to claim ownership of inventions and intellectual property that came out of federally funded research. The goal behind that was to lead more of the federally funded academic research on a commercialization path. So technology transfer process, though, in how it functions and its focus has always been responsive to external pressures, and these in recent years have been when pharma and device companies have actually reduced their R&D, and so they are open to more partnerships and externalizing their R&D efforts. Economic climate. VCs have been more risk averse for early stage technologies, which are what academic technologies typically are. And it's also in response to hospitals or academic institutions' technology needs. What do we need to develop our own technology, support our research, and really more recently with all the uncertainty around the NIH funding. There's also more interest from academics to see their research become products and impact patient care. So all that is what is leading to a lot more emphasis lately on what is the process for commercializing academic research. And in trying to evolve that process, it becomes very important to structure the relationships with industry that'll achieve all this, that'll advance hospital technology, build resources and capacity within the academic institution to advance technologies, work with industry, but balancing conflict of interest and protecting the integrity of the academic enterprise. So what is the role of the Tech Transfer Office again? It starts always with when the academic investigator, when you have an idea, an invention, to manage the invention and protect the idea. The next step is then to create partnering opportunities for that invention. And this could be by identifying a potential industry partner to make the product or to support its development further. Some of that, in what will it take for this invention to be put on a development path that will lead to commercialization, is also sometimes helping stimulate the culture of innovation within the community, interacting with a clinician and a researcher and an engineer to develop the product further. It might be that it would be for the entrepreneurs in the system to give advice, to give seed funding, to help put the technology on a commercialization path, and structure relationships with industry that would support both the research activities and lead to development of the technology and advance it.